Uh, this is Reverend Lee Sun Jun from Asian Pacific Chaplain Association as well as Asian Pacific Mission Board, also Home Movement, 한민족 Overseas Missionary. This time, as you see the article by the Herald, two Korean students got a scholarship from the Asian Pacific American Heritage Unity Gala. First of all, congratulations them to get the scholarship from the Unity Gala. Also, our organization is Asian Pacific Chaplain Association, means the pastor or missionary in near the Asian Pacific. We are united together to stand and support our community as a first generation or second generation of immigration from the overseas. So this time the gala a lot of Asian Pacific organization in Atlanta, they attended some example, Bangladesh or Cambodia, and Pan Asia Community Service, and the Philippine, Indian, Indonesian, and also, of course, Korean American community in Atlanta. KACAGA, Laosian, Malaysia, Nepal, Pakistani, also the World Association World Press Center, and the Vietnam BACGA. They are attended, celebrated the Asian Pacific American Heritage. So with respect for the diversity of especially Asian Pacific community in Atlanta, they have a special community their own. Also, they united together as American community in Atlanta. So they have two purposes. One is help to promote the community service of their own, as well as some as organization in Atlanta one of participants in American community in Georgia. So we should unite together through this kind of unity gala every year. So sometimes, as a chairman of Asian Pacific Chaplain Association, I should contact with the individual Asian country, contact with them for the unity of especially pastor in here or overseas. So we try to understand to keep our Asian Pacific heritage as well as a component of Asian community in Atlanta. So eventually we melted down and united together to promote American community in Atlanta. So God bless all community, especially Asian Pacific Heritage Community in Atlanta. Their future and their generation to promote for the forthcoming prosperity and their glory. Thank you so much.